Right, we are continuing on management, which is topic 2, School of Management Thought. School of Management Thought, we have scientific management. Scientific management, the founder of scientific management is Frederick Taylor. To focus on enhancing productivity through scientific methods and standardizing work processes. So this is Taylor, who was making these studies, and his focus was on enhancing productivity, enhancing production through scientific methods. So he employs scientific methods in making sure that the work is standard. So the key concepts are time studies. So Taylor would analyze the time required to perform each and every task in an organization and try to optimize the task, try to work in the most efficient and reasonable time. For example, a company like Delta Beverages in Zimbabwe might use time studies to streamline their production lines for beverages. Then we have standardization, the implementation of uniform procedures to increase efficiency. For example, clothes manufacturers like Edgar stores might standardize the way garments are produced to maintain quality and reduce costs. Then we have after scientific management, we have what we call the administrative theory. The administrative theory was propounded by Henry Fayol. The general principles that it focuses on general principles and the functions of management. The key principles are division of work. In an organization, people will be dividing work to each other. For example, in Zimbabwe, Zimra might use division of work to separate tax collection from tax enforcement. Then unit of command, employees should receive orders from one boss or one superior. For example, in mining companies like Zimbabwe Platinum Mines, Zimplats, this ensures clarity in reporting and accountability. Then we have the quantitative approach. This uses mathematical models and statistical techniques for decision making. We use mathematical approaches like linear programming for optimum use of scarce resources. We also have decision theory, evaluating different alternatives under uncertainty. Then we have human relations or behavioral schools. The key propounders of these theories are Elton Mayo and Douglas McGregor. Then they focus on employee motivation and the behavior of the employees. The key concepts under Elton Mayo conducted some studies at Hawthorne, and they revealed that the worker production improved due to attention and the social interactions. For instance, Zimbabwe firms like Econet Wireless might focus on creating a positive work environment to boost their employees or workers' morale. Then we have Douglas McGregor. Douglas McGregor has propounded a theory called the Theory X, and in his theory, he assumes that employees or workers are inherently less, which means people are lazy at work and they require strict supervision. So some traditional Zimbabwean companies might still operate under these assumptions, and they want to force employees to work because they think they are lazy. Then in Theory Y, Douglas McGregor was assuming that employees are motivated and they seek responsibility. He is assuming that people like work and they try to work where necessary. So progressive firms in Zimbabwe, such as Zimbabwe Tourism Authority, might adopt Theory Y to to foster a collaborative work culture. Then we have the systems approach. This focuses on viewing organizations as a collection of interrelated parts. So the key concepts are input processes and output model. For example, in Zimbabwe textile industry, inputs raw materials and are processed into manufacturing to produce outputs, finished goods as garments. Then we have feedback mechanism. These are essential for continuous improvements. For example, feedback from customers about products. Then we have the contingent approach to management. The contingent approach to management is adopting management practices based on situational factors. For example, management strategies should vary depending on specific circumstances. Then we have contemporary approaches. We have total quality management. This focuses on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Zimbabwean companies such as National Foods might implement total quality management to ensure that the products are of high quality and there is customer service. Then we have a re-engineering, radical redesign and the process for significant improvements. For example, ZESA could re-engineer its operations to reduce power outages and improve efficiency. So this takes us to the end of this topic. Thank you.